guys, Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. We have a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped, taped and pinned and sprayed artist love canvas. I'm still so intrigued by the cloud pour mixes that I figured, I think at the beginning of the year I said I was going to do a lot of clouds this year. So here we go. This is the cloud mix. I'm going to flood the canvas with it. Then let me introduce my colors. Well, it's kind of hard because they're kind of custom colors. This is, I put some Modern Masters in each of them because they seem to sell up well. And this is Modern Masters Sky Blue, and it's mixed with Amsterdam blue, greenish blue. Modern Masters Gold, and I put a little bit of quinacridone Nicolaisa Gold in. I can't get away from that color, just love it. This is Modern Masters Green Apple, and it's mixed with Amsterdam greenish yellow, yellowish green. Let me see. Yellowish green. There's a difference. And this is like 3 different colors. It's Amsterdam Phthalo Prussian Blue. It is Golden's Prussian Blue Hue, and it is also Modern Masters Sapphire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to layer my cup. Do I want to layer a cup or do I want to just throw it on there? No, I'm going to layer a cup. Oops, I want to make sure that this is the right consistency. Yeah, this one's a little bit thick. Put a little bit of water. The consistency is everything with this. So if this doesn't work out, I'll be scraping. Still. There we go. That's better. So I want my blue on the top. My dark blue, I think. Yeah, I do. Don't want a huge amount. And I'm going to put the gold next. And then the green. And then the greenish blue. This is my favorite. All right. So I put a little bit more of that because I like it a lot. So, flooding the canvas. Here, whoa, look at all those little drops there. And I'm just gonna roll that around. Move everything out of the way here. Flooded my canvas the other day and there were too many, it was too much paint and it didn't react the way it was supposed to. So oh, I meant to paint the sides first with the thicker paint. It's not moving at all. Once those cells go down the side, if they have something thicker to stick to, you get some pretty cool effects on the sides of your painting too. There we go. All right. Cloud mix is Artist Loft for white. with Decor Americana satin enamels and pure white, Floetrol, and lots of water. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna oh, that's cool. That is cool. Just have it come down like this. Let's take a peek at that. Wow, look at it sell up. Let me try and stretch it down a little bit. I moved my camera up because I realized you guys weren't, I was always out of frame. So I'm not a videographer. And I'm very technically challenged. So I'm so glad you guys can bear with me. Now, I'm not really digging that gold in the center. It's getting all icky. Whoopsie. Move it around some more. Ooh, look at that. This is so much fun. Oh my God, you guys. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. And I'm still not liking that center. Cleaned. Oh, fudge. Better. So the gold I'm not real crazy about, but I wouldn't know if I didn't try. those cells. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not liking this. It was the green and the gold mixed, which did not, I don't think it looked good at all. I'm gonna play. You know what I've noticed? Mixing these two colors isn't really good because one has a lot more purple tone and one has a lot more green tone. So purple and green don't really mix too well. What do I want to do? Maybe I should just let it sit for a while. I'm just worried about it having too much paint on it. I don't like any of this. I'm going to swipe it. Oh, great. Back in a little while and see if anything's changed. I really love this over here. I kind of mucked up these, but hey, they have personality, and these are starting to sell up already. So let me put you on time lapse.